So you cracked or broken one of your front teeth. What are you going to do now? Hi there, I'm Dr. Andy Letcher. One of the very common treatments we do is fix somebody's broken off front tooth or side tooth. What we do here I think is really special. So you come in that day with your broken off tooth, and the process is we take some x-rays, a CT scan. What we're looking for is make sure the bone is intact. So we will put you to sleep. Our lab will literally mill you a tooth while you're waking up in a recovery room, and you literally leave here with a screwed in front tooth or side of your mouth tooth that looks awesome. It's a great replacement. People love it. So we've put this new tooth in, and implant needs to sit and fuse to your bone for about 5 to 6 months to get its full strength. And so once we give it that time period, we'll check you one more time in about 5 or 6 months, and then you will go back to your original dentist, and they will convert this acrylic tooth to a final porcelain tooth that you can pretty much have for the rest of your life. It'll probably be one of the strongest teeth in your mouth. So if you've broken off your tooth, we have a great solution for you. Give us a call, come on in, and we'll take great care of you.